Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another video. We're out here in the garden today doing a little bit of maintenance, and I was going to be trimming up our planters and wanted to share with you guys some of the advantages of keeping your planters trimmed up. So these are Petunias. They're the Bordeaux variety, and black cherry and Vista bubblegum. And we have a really nice thriller in the top here, the Prince Tut. So these things have been doing fantastic, but we're now at midsummer and it's time to give them a little bit of a haircut. So you guys can see here, you know, they're starting to get a little leggy on the bottom. And so what we try to do is give them a good haircut and trim off about 20% of the plant that is hanging down. And what that will do is allow the plant to produce more blooms, flush out really good, and just make them look fantastic for the second half of the summer. As these Petunias grow out, they sometimes get a tendency to get kind of leggy and scraggly looking. So you know, just like us, we periodically get our haircut, and it gives us a nice tight look to the planter. And like I said, they'll produce more blooms and be fuller and more healthy. So I'll take you through the process here of trimming these up, and then we'll take a look at the plant afterward. So you guys can see, again, like I was talking about, they're a little bit leggy. What I'm going to do is trim them up just to the bottom of this lip, just to the bottom of this lip of the pot. You know, you don't have to, you know, be super careful or anything like that. These plants are very resilient, so they'll come back fantastic. There's not a specific spot at the plant that you should trim them or anything like that. So we just kind of jump in here, lop it off. You know, lots of people will be thinking, oh my gosh, you're cutting off all these blooms, but you know, it's actually healthy for the plant, and like I said, it'll come back bigger and better because of it. So we'll just go around here, trimming it up right around that edge like I talked about. Again, you don't want to trim off more than 20% of the plant, and you know, we're keeping good with that. So just moving around, giving it its haircut, and there we go. So guys, with that, that's really easy. It takes just a couple of minutes. Like I said, midsummer, mid-July is when you want to do this. The rule of thumb is don't take off more than 20% of the plant, but this plant will flush back out. It'll start blooming like crazy, and you know, it'll just have a second half of the summer like you've never seen. Again, make sure for success of these, you want to keep them watered consistently. And like I said, every Sunday is my fertilizing day, but you want to fertilize them once a week, and you're going to have really good luck with them. So quick little tip for you guys. Until next time, we'll see you out in the garden. Bye-bye.